Missiles strike Strait of Hormuz. Global oil supply chokes. Wall Street panics as critical CPI inflation data drops, threatening total market crash. Can your savings survive this chaos? Look at Strait of Hormuz. Giant tankers flee. Oil prices surge high. Panic hits global markets. Investors dump risky assets, buy US dollars fast. Protect wealth now. Big market crash comes. CPI report drops. Inflation fears grip Wall Street. Panic spreads fast. Look at chart. US dollar surges upward. Investors scramble for safety. Big market crash coming? Watch closely. Portfolios burn today. Central banks hike rates, try to kill inflation fire, but supply chains freeze, oil costs double. Pain spreads fast, global engine stalls, we face cold winter, very hard times ahead. Red screens flash, stock market collapse, panic sell-off, cash burn, safe haven call, investors run to gold, yellow metal shine bright, shield from fire, protect wealth now, before all turn to ash. Governments flood the market with emergency oil reserves to stop the price spike, but it is not enough. The Strait of Hormuz remains blocked, choking the global supply. The crisis deepens. Gas stations empty. Fights break out at pumps. Desperate people battle for last drops of fuel. Society crumble when supply vanish. No police coming, you fight or you freeze. No fuel means trucks stop moving. Grocery shelves go bare overnight. When hunger sets in, desperation follows. Now, peaceful neighborhoods turn into war zones as people fight over the last scraps of food. Power plants run dry, cities plunge into pitch black, law enforcement loses control. Angry mobs loot stores, chaos rules streets. How will you survive when whole world goes dark? Streets burn, government declared martial law, tanks changed nothing. Now, ordinary neighbors grab rifles, militias guard blocks, trust in state dead. Only armed citizens stand between order and chaos. Cash is dead. Paper bills burn for heat, not food. Now, bullets and fuel buy bread, nothing else works. How many rounds will you trade to survive tonight? Ice locks dark cities. Warlords seize last coal piles. Freezing survivors face brutal choice, trade freedom for heat or die in cold. Would you sell your soul to keep warm? Winter is coming, and these oil wells are the only thing keeping the freeze at bay. Communities are locking down, ready to fight off ruthless warlords. If the fuel runs out, everyone dies. Warlords strike last oil wells. Fire burns. Survivors fight back to keep heat. Cold kills without fuel. Can they hold line or will darkness win? Watch close. Next battle decides survival. The last flame dies. Our only warmth gone. As the frost closes in, we face the ultimate choice. Will you stand and fight to rebuild from the ashes, or will you freeze in the dark?